Hello, I am Abel, and this is my video presentation on fireworks and their chemical reaction. So, we've all seen fireworks before during the 4th of July and not, and this right here is actually the chemical reaction for fireworks. This type of chemical reaction actually is one of decomposition. I don't know what that means, but that's what it is. And like any chemical reaction, this one also has reactants and products. The reactants of this chemical reaction are potassium, nitrogen, and oxygen. The products are potassium, oxygen, nitrogen, and more oxygen. In chemistry, there's this thing called evidence of reaction. The name is pretty self-explanatory. The evidence of reaction here would be the firework combusting, which produces light and heat. When it comes to the uses of fireworks, fireworks are mainly used as a form of entertainment, usually during holidays such as the 4th of July and Chinese New Year. Fireworks are very important to China because that is their country of origin, so it is very important to their history, and they are also very important to China because they produce great economic wealth for the country. Since fireworks are a man-made object, they do not occur naturally in nature. Instead, for their reaction to occur, they have to be activated, usually through fire, and once they are activated, and once enough heat is produced, the firework reaction will go off, causing the combustion, the explosion, and the light and color that we're all used to. Without fireworks, modern warfare would be very different, as the gunpowder that was found to make fireworks was applied to the kind of artillery and bombs that is used in warfare. And celebrations throughout the world would be very different, as fireworks are a big part of events like 4th of July and Chinese New Year, like I mentioned earlier. You see, there's this little known fact, I'm not sure if you've heard of it, but fireworks actually originate from China, and I wouldn't be surprised if you didn't know this one actually, but how they were actually discovered in China is that a piece of bamboo was lit on fire and it actually exploded, causing the idea for fireworks. I say it caused the idea for fireworks, but it planted the seeds for them is a more accurate term, because a Chinese alchemist found the chemical reaction that is similar to gunpowder, and from there, that's really what propelled the modern firework into existing. One of the few interesting firework facts out there is that Disney is actually a very big buyer of fireworks, as they spend over 50 million a year on them. That will be all for my video presentation. Thank you for sitting and listening, and goodbye.